Hi guys, I am Shazad and welcome in this video. Today we're gonna discuss about the server variables. Make sure we have already discussed about the local and also the global variables. So it's time to discuss about the server variables. How many items or the functionalities available in the server variable while calling the server variable. So let's get started. Okay guys, so now we have a super global variables. So technically super global variables or the built-in variables that you can use those variables in your entire website, or in simple words it's available or in simple words it's available in all scopes. How? I'm saying dollar server. If you print this one or var save the file, go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's giving you the informations. What? So as you can see, array length is 50, and these are the values available. So server variable holds a lot of informations about the headers, paths, and also the script locations. Like if you access, so as you can see, this one, boredom, coming this one, go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's giving you this string. You can also say PHP self. As you can see, it's saying currently you are accessing the index.php file, which is available in your PHP folder. You can also check the server name, so localhost, also server port. XAMPP always use the 80 port, and also you have different kind of, it's saying protocol. The protocol is HTTP1, and also shift, hit the enter button. So these are the values available. So signature, so this is the signature. Also software, refresh the page, it's saying Apache 2.4.5.3, Windows 64, Open SSL, and a lot of informations available here. Okay guys, so in this way you can use the functionality of the server variables in PHP. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. Thank you for watching.